Okay, problem. How do I monitor my 3D printed 3D printing part from outside of my um, office? So the solution that I come out with um, by using Raspberry Pi with camera, a relay to turn off and on this light bulb because I need to leave this sometimes for like 5 hours during the night, and I would like to keep monitoring my print. And then I need to build a custom script here, Python script, and this Python script will keep on checking my database, and if there's an instruction that I give through um, through this Android application, for example, right now if I request for uh, the streaming, so you can see it turn on the light and it keep recording for 5 seconds, only record video for 5 seconds, and when the light turn off means that I can view the streaming, not the streaming, the video that has been recorded for 5 seconds on my database, on my server. So if, for example, something wrong with the print, I can use my sonoff here. Okay, I can just turn off the system from uh, remote. So this is my sonoff. Yeah, very easy solution. That's it.